So you have a generic sound, but you need it to loop. Not a problem. Now, this is a much more common problem in game development than most people probably realize. Often you'll have sounds like engine hums, thrusters, or magical item aura sounds, and you'll find something that works really well for what you need, but it doesn't loop. So when you try and put it in your game, you just get an ugly repeat when the sound is. So anytime you find yourself in this situation, here's how you fix it. First, you download Audacity, which is a free audio editing software. I've used it for the last 25 years, and I probably will for the rest of my life. Now, for example, I'm creating a military drone, and I have a generic drone flying sound effect. Now, it doesn't actually loop, but if I drag it into Audacity, what I can do is find a piece of it where the sound is kind of consistent, then isolate it, and then you just Control-A, select everything, Control-C to copy, and then press this button to jump to the end, Control-V to paste, and at the top, if we go to Effects, Pitch and Tempo, Reverse, this will flip the sound backwards, and when you put them together, you're done. If we export this as a WAV or an MP3 and set it to loop, and if we put it in the game, we get a clean, endless looping sound whenever the drone is flying around. Now it loops forever perfectly. This video was brought to you by the monthly members on YouTube and Patreon. Not a big company, just normal, awesome people who support the show every month to make sure that I can keep sharing these lessons with you for free. So thank you, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.